video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a planning board script which allow players to create strategy, organize plans, and coordinate operations into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around 10 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, open the items folder. The installation process is going to be for QBCore framework. Go to icons, then copy all these images from here. Then paste into your Cube inventory. For that, open the Cube inventory folder, HTML, images, then paste those images over here. Just like this. Now open the QBCore.txt. Now scroll down over here. Then copy all these items from here. Now open the QBCore, shared, items.lua, come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the config folder, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. These are some basic configurations for board. You can configure them according to your preference. I'll be keeping them default for now. And these are the configurations for blib. You can configure them according to your preference. From here, you can configure the access of using the board to a particular job. So I'll be keeping the allowed jobs to nil so that everyone can use the board. And this is the command to open the board over here. If you want to give the access to everyone to use the board, then you just have to change the access from admin to everyone. Just like this. So that's it for the config part. Now open the Discord webhook config. From here, you can connect the Discord to the script by providing the webhook URL over here. Through this, you will get logs related to the script. So I'll be keeping it like this for now. Now open the framework config. So in the framework section, I'll be changing the auto to QB. Now open the inventory config. Here also I will be changing the auto to QB. Now open the target config file. So here also I will be changing them for QB. So that's all for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's create a board over here. For that we just have to type /board. And these are the categories of the board which we can select. So for now I'll be selecting this board. After that you will get the option to place the board. And you can see all the controls on the bottom side. If you press F, we can place the board in the surface as well, as you can see. After getting the perfect position, let's place the board. Now here we need to type the name for the board. With this option, you can give access to anyone who can access the board. So I'll be keeping it just like this. Now open the map. Here you can see the blip for the board. Now use your target eye. Click on edit board. So with this option, we can edit the board. Let's add some nodes over here. After selecting the option, click on the board. So from here, you can select the color for the node. And these are the font styles. And these are the size for the nodes. And these are some formats available. Let's customize the format. After everything is done, just click on save. Now you will get your node over here. We can move it as well. And adjust the size. Let's write one more node. Now with the second option, we can add images on the board. Here we need to paste the URL of the image. And you can see the preview over here. Click on save. And you will get your image over here. Let's add some more images. Now the third option is going to be for connection. So let's select a color. After selecting the color, click on the node. And select the another node where you want to connect. Just like this, as you can see. Click on this thread. Here you will get the option to add the label. After that, click on save. You will get a label over here. Let's connect some more images. You can even change the directions as well. After connecting it. The fourth option is to draw. Through this, you can draw whatever you like on the board. Let's write heist. You will get different types of writing styles. And from here, you can change the size as well. And the last option is to erase. This is the eraser over here. Now click on back to close the preview. So as you can see, this is the board which we have created over here. Now you will get some more options over here. If you want to allow the public to edit, just click over here. And anyone now can edit this board. From here you can manage the editors. You will get the list of nearby players over here. You can rename the board. You can move the board. And you can collect the board in your pocket. Just like this. You can use it back as well. As you can see. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.